If you would like to learn how to delete a Salesforce user, then unfortunately it is not actually possible to delete a user from your Salesforce org. There are multiple good reasons for this. Firstly, when you've got an org like Salesforce, it's what's known as a relational database. So all the different bits of information are connected to each other in multiple ways. So when you've got a user profile, that can be connected to records that the user has updated. Because all those things are so important, Salesforce makes it impossible to actually delete a user. However, if you are just looking for a way to stop that user logging in anymore, you've got the option to either freeze the account, which keeps it as an active profile, but that person can no longer log in. You've also got the option to deactivate that user. If you go with a full deactivation, then the user can no longer log in. Additionally, it then frees up the license that is associated with that user, which you can then allocate to a different user or give to a new user in your org. So in summary, it's not possible to delete a Salesforce user. You've got the option to either freeze them or deactivate them. And doing either of those gives you many options to administer your Salesforce org in a safe and effective way.